One tip I will give you for some people ask actually, oh, give us when the dua can be accepted. I've given you all the guidelines that best time is the time of tahajjud, best actually this is. There is one actually tip which we can find from the Sunnah as well. Let's say you have something or you need something, you want something. You want a child, you want a baby, you want car, you want spouse, you want house, you want money, you want anything lawful. One of the ways to do dua is when you go to sleep on the bed, when you are lying down, you should do dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Dhikr of Allah, Sayyid Rushi, whatever, Ikhlas, Surat Ikhlas, Falak and Nas. And then you are lying down on your pillow, your eyes are closed. After you've done this dhikr, now start praying to Allah for that thing. Ya Rabbal Alameen, bless me with a baby. Ya Rabbal Alameen, bless me with a car. Give me that, or remove this problem. Sleep, you should sleep while saying that actually. You should sleep whilst you're repeating it. No, don't think or do anything else. You're just lying down and saying to Ya Rabbal Alameen. This is an act of mercy. In one hadith, this is indicated that Allah accepts the dua which is done like this as well, very much. Try it for yourself when you go to home tonight. Get on your bed is the best thing, comfortable. Read Surah Fatiha, whatever zikr you do, and after that, Rushif, and then start just doing dua, repeating the dua until you dozed off. And hopefully when you will get up, you will see the signs of acceptance. Because Allah Azza wa Jalla loves His servants more than a mother. Loves the child. So imagine a child, baby is asking, Mommy, I want milk, I want milk. It's okay, Mommy gives milk, Mommy gives food. But now the baby is there and he wants something, I want this toy, I want this toy. And she's not paying attention as such, but she asking, and the baby then actually sleeps in that position whilst asking all these things actually. Imagine the emotions, the love, the sentiments of the mother on that baby. Okay, that actually, this is different kind. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves dua already, He loves the servant already. And when you ask humbly and in this way that Allah will see, oh my servant have slept whilst actually asking this. He forgot even to when he went to sleep, he didn't know when he went to sleep, but he was asking this. This is one way, method also to use whenever you have a problem or you have a need. You can do this and you will see it is mashallah very effective because you are doing it with the heart and up to the last moment. Another benefit of this is that you will get, because you are practicing this, you will get this opportunity to do this type of engagement with Allah Azza wa Jal when you will die. Because dying is like sleep as well. So a person who becomes like this in habit, it becomes his habit doing like this. So once the last day comes, last time or last minutes come, they know what to do. A person is used to asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.